During this procedure, guide wires are inserted into the left and right femoral arteries leading to the heart. The patient's beating heart can continue to perfuse the body. However, bypass could be necessary. Once they reach the ascending aorta, one guide wire enters the outflow graft of the left ventricular assist device, while the second guide wire passes through the aortic valve and enters the inflow graft. Once the guide wires are in place, a balloon catheter is threaded over each one and the guide wires are removed. The cleaning process begins when the balloons are inflated and saline displaces blood within the pump. The impeller agitates this solution before it is drained out. Next, a thrombolytic solution, such as TPA, is introduced into the device. This solution, along with impeller agitation, helps dissolve any residual material in the device before it is drained out. The VAD is flushed repeatedly with a saline solution. As the final step, a net on the catheter in the outflow graft opens up. The balloons are deflated, allowing blood flow to resume. Any remaining material is caught in the net to remove it from circulation. The net will then close to secure any captured materials, and the catheters are removed, restoring the VAD to its full functionality.